Here is a video of the mixing of cement and sand, and this is where the bulk of the work is in block production. Here you can see the workman is there. He's trying to mix the sand and the cement. That's the bag of cement. See, this is the sand. So he's trying to mix it together, and so once it's properly mixed, it can then be mixed together. Water will be added, and after proper mixing, then there will be to be packed, mixed for about 4 to 5 times since it's hand mixing. And other way of mixing is using the mechanical or electric motorized mixer. That mixer has the ability of mixing the cement and the sand evenly, so that there will not be any space in the mixing. Of course, you know the function of the cement is acts as a binding agent, and if it's properly mixed together, it can help you produce more blocks, and then you can get more solid blocks and quality blocks. So the benefit of hand mixing, you can see now the cement and the sand mixing together. You can watch for a while. This is how it's being mixed. The first is the removing of the sack and the cement from the sack. The second is now the mixing. So this will be mixed for about 2, 3 or 4 times, so that the cement and the sand can be mixed together. It's unfortunate that I could not help you measure the number of how the ratio of 1 bag of cement to sand, but normally it should be between 6 to 7 wheelbarrow full of sand with 1 bag of cement, and this will make you make something worthwhile. For instance, you can make up to 54 blocks, which is about 27 pallets from 1 bag of cement, and that is the way we do. But when you are using your mixer, it helps you to produce more, because the mixer will mix more of your cement and your block and your sand together, and you can make more. And at least we've seen where the mixer is used to make about 32 pallets, which is about 64 blocks, and some do as much as 64 blocks from 1 bag of cement. And then you can see one of our workers here putting water. Putting water. See, now the proper mixing will be done. The water will be added. Of course, it needs little water, not too much water, so that so when water is there, then thank you.